Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. Why aren't you playing? I ran out of videos to watch. I'm liking it. It's weird because I've been saying it in a couple videos, but I don't actually mind watching my videos. I don't give a crap about that. Today's the second. Get over it. Come on, YouTube, update your crap. This TV is slow. It is old. I think it's from it's like one of the first Samsung smart TVs that came out, but anyway, let's see. What's my recommended videos so far? Dang it, none of my videos. Let's go search my channel. Ooh-wee. War in the Woods. There's my channel. Let's go. Let's just play some videos. Sure, let's play a mix. I was watching a video earlier of me putting the valve body on the skid steer. Here's another video of the skid steer. All the metal. Oh man. I'm so glad I'm done with this thing. That skid steer. I swear I aged 15 years. Anyway, I'm opening a box, possibly, with this roofer's razor blade, and it's weird, it'll cut asphalt, but it won't cut. I'm kind of curious of what I ordered. I don't remember ordering something tall or big, or maybe I did. Anyway, let's see. Let's do a little unboxing. I gotta order those hoses. I forgot. Those hoses are cracked and trash. Those are $110 a piece, but just those fittings, just those stupid fittings right there are like 75 bucks. So I can't make it. It's cheaper just to replace it. Oh yeah. I got this. It's a Kirby's. Basically, it goes on the front wheel. When you load a bike, strap it down. You put this on there. Oh, I know why it's big now. I remember now. I just saw it. I saw it. Anyway. Blocka for sale. Signal. Whatever. Weird Italians. Right there. Italy. Hey, what are you doing? Don't worry about it. Jeez. Like 15 bucks worth of paper. Wife will be happy with paper. Jeez. $8 worth of paper. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. It's a clutch. I don't have one of these. I always wanted one of these, but these are clutch. Basket holders, pliers, grippers. Come on. These are Tusk. I don't remember. I think they were having a sale. Anyway. Oh jeez. All these washers. Oh man, I forgot about all the washers on the ground. I had a little case up here full of these little baby washers. And yeah, let's just say vice grips with a open container, little box. These little washers, yeah, they vice grip shot open, and I got little baby washers everywhere. I just saw a bunch in the trash can, but I don't care. I'm not digging them out. Back to the unboxing. We got fork gaiters, Z Mud. So they go around the forks of the bike. I'm trying to figure out what that noise is. I have a charger, battery on a charger. Oh man, don't miss those days. It's crazy watching my own videos. But yeah, I was gonna wait to throw these on until I rebuilt the forks, but I think I'm just gonna throw them on anyway. Nice thick Achirby sticker. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, but I am Italian, so I'm allowed to say my own Italian words wrong. Damn. So they're little socks that go over the shocks. Keep from the fox. Sorry, guys. Anyway, oh yeah, the reason why it's tall. Scatterbrain. Sorry, guys. I got Rocky Mountain carpet mat for working on dirt bike. Let me open this bad boy. Zip ties. Oops, I think I just cut the carpet. Because it'll cut carpet and it'll cut asphalt shingles, but it won't cut through plastic. Right? Right. Oh, man. I'm trying to get all this open so I can throw it all in the trash. Because the trash man is coming today. Usually he comes here, sneaks up on us. So anyway, we got a little rug. Rocky Mountain rug. These were on sale. Figured might as well, why not? I needed to, oh man, these are long too. I needed to get free shipping, but what sucks is every time I order something, I remember I gotta order something else. So I ordered all this stuff, and then I was like, well, I better order a top end, rebuild our gasket set for that. But anyway, always wanted one of these. Anyway, guys, that's it. It's my unboxing video. Go check out my other videos if you want to learn how to walk around talking to yourself, pointing at trucks, apparently. Yep. Anyway, gotta get back to work. Diesel. Can't remember what video this is, but where am I at? I think everything is together. Let's see. Oh, trying to get the hydraulic cooler off so I can flush it with diesel. That's what I'm doing because I had to flush everything out of that skid steer. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Keep being you. I got work I'm doing. Redoing this whole front end on this bike. I moved this up because I ran out of gas and because I couldn't really see the gauges. So I moved it up. I moved this wire or this hose down here. This is going down there as well. Waiting for some parts. They're actually at the post office right now. Had to move that. It's like that. Anyway, that's what we got going on. And then these parts are on order. I don't know when I'm gonna get those parts. Yep, fun. Charging the battery for my gate. Died because it's been no sun for, I don't even know, 5 or 6 days. We haven't had sun, so this gate just stopped working. This gate on that side, this one was still working. So they are charged by solar power, solar panels. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Later.